Hello mga kabayan, welcome once again sa channel nating Buhay Pinoy sa Abroad. In this episode, we will have another walkthrough time, and we are going to look at the architecture of Paris. Paris is a city that whispers stories through its buildings. Let's take a stroll and discover the architectural gems that line its streets. Towering Gothic churches with stained glass windows pierce the sky. Their flying buttresses reaching out like strong arms. Inside, soaring stone pillars and vaulted ceilings create a sense of awe and mystery. Stately palaces boast grand courtyards and symmetrical facades. The walls are adorned with intricate carvings, and large windows offer a glimpse into the opulent world within. Long, elegant boulevards are lined with apartment buildings made of honey-colored stone. Their uniform facades, with wrought iron balconies and mansard roofs, create a sense of order and beauty. Imposing structures like the Arc de Triomphe stand tall, adorned with intricate sculpture and topped with triumphant arches. These monuments celebrate victories and inspire awe. Modern marvels like the Louvre Pyramid contrast sharply with older buildings. Their geometric shapes and reflective surfaces symbolize the city's embrace of innovation and contemporary design. Art Nouveau buildings have a touch of whimsy. Their curves and floral motifs evoke a sense of nature and movement. Look for quirky details like iron-wrought railings in the shape of flowers or leaves. Converted warehouses boast exposed brick, metal beams, and large windows. These spaces, now housing trendy cafes or art galleries offer a unique blend of history and modern functionality. Tucked away behind unassuming doorways, peaceful courtyards offer a quiet escape from the city bustle. Cobblestone paths lead to charming cafes and hidden gardens, a reminder of Paris's many secret corners. Paris is a place where different styles coexist. Walk down a street and you might find a classic Haussmannian building next to a modern glass skyscraper. This unexpected mix creates a vibrant and dynamic cityscape. Paris continues to embrace new architectural ideas. From the futuristic design of the Foundation Louis Vuitton to the restored beauty of Notre Dame, the city's skyline is a testament to its ever-evolving character. As we wind our way through the streets of Paris, we are surrounded by a rich tapestry of architectural styles. Each building tells a story, whispering of the city's vibrant past and its exciting future.